Did you know that the average American spends nearly $50,000 to own a new SUV? $50,000, that's no small amount. A car isn't just a means of transport. It's a symbol of success, a dream of safe long-distance trips with family. But is that dream car truly what you imagine? Is there anything hidden behind the sweet promises from manufacturers? Let's uncover the surprising truth in the world of SUVs as we reveal the 9 most unreliable models of 2025, the cars you might be trusting but are secretly draining your budget every day. Number 9. 2025 Jeep Compass. Kicking off the list is a not-so-surprising name, the 2025 Jeep Compass. This vehicle looks powerful and sporty, carrying that legendary off-road badge. But if you look at its reliability score from Consumer Reports, just 33 out of 100, you'll see a harsh truth. This is a second-generation vehicle that was launched back in 2017. It's been nearly a decade, and Jeep still hasn't fixed the core issues. Owners constantly complain about excessive oil consumption, turbo lag, and especially a jerky transmission, with rough gear shifts that make it feel like you're driving an old machine. Even the YUKON infotainment system frequently freezes and acts erratically. When a brand new car has to go to the shop so often, what could be more disappointing? Number 8. 2025 Chevrolet Blazer. The 2025 Chevrolet Blazer stands at position number 8. With a bold design inspired by the Camaro, this vehicle promises a sporty and unique driving experience. But as soon as you look at the reliability data, you'll realize this is just a perfect disguise. The Blazer received a score of 32 out of 100. The most serious issues are engine and transmission faults. Users report frequent engine stalls, which can be caused by fuel system glitches or faulty sensors. The transmission operates choppily with hard shifts, and in some cases, it has failed prematurely. A GM technician shared that they've had to replace many faulty turbochargers. The problem is, the warranty is only for a limited time. Do you want to gamble on a car that could break down at any moment? Number 7. 2025 GMC Yukon. Coming in at number 7 is a true giant, the 2025 GMC Yukon. With a starting price from $60,000 and reaching up to $90,000 for premium trims, this SUV is made to dominate and deliver perfection. But the truth behind that flashy exterior is a list of unacceptable problems. The electrical system is the first weak point. From a freezing infotainment screen to faulty sensors and inaccurate driver assist features, the luxury the Yukon offers seems to be only on the surface. The most serious issue lies in the vehicle's heart, the 6.2 L V8 engine. Its fuel management system has been linked to lifter and bearing failures, problems that can be so severe they require a full engine replacement. The transmission is no better, often slipping and shifting harshly. There has even been a recall issued for manufacturing defects that could lead to catastrophic engine failure. This is too high a price for the unreliability of a car that should be a symbol of class. Number 6. 2025 Dodge Hornet Plug-in Hybrid. At position number 6 is the 2025 Dodge Hornet Plug-in Hybrid, with a score of 30 out of 100. It might sound strange, but beneath its American badge, this is actually a rebadged Alfa Romeo Tonale. Dodge hoped this would be a strong comeback in the compact SUV segment, but in reality, it's a failure. Dealers are struggling with high inventory, and owners are constantly reporting issues. The hybrid system is flawed, frequently showing a check engine light, and suddenly losing power. Even software glitches are common. The infotainment screen freezes, and random warnings appear. Additionally, there has been a major recall for a brake defect that could cause the pedal to disengage under pressure. It's a car that feels like the future, but is full of problems from the past. Number 5. 2025 Jeep Wrangler. At position number 5, a name that might break the hearts of many fans, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. It's a legend, a symbol of freedom and exploration. But will you still feel free when you have to constantly visit the dealership for repairs? With a reliability score of only 27 out of 100, the Wrangler shows that even icons have serious cracks in their armor. The problems have existed for a long time and have never been fully resolved. Users complain about unstable steering, causing the car to wander on highways. The suspension also wears out prematurely. Not to mention, the infotainment system frequently freezes and randomly resets. With the plug-in hybrid 4xe version, charging issues only add to the frustration. A user on a forum shared, "Love the image of the car, but hate the constant trips to the dealership." Clearly, off-road credibility can't compensate for a lack of reliability on the road. Number 4. 2025 Volkswagen Taos. At position number 4 is a small SUV that brings with it some big problems. The 2025 Volkswagen Taos. This model has a youthful and energetic look, but with a reliability score of only 24 to 100, it proves that size has nothing to do with quality. The biggest issue with the Taos is the lack of synchronization between the engine and the transmission. Despite having 158 horsepower, the car feels weak, especially when loaded with people or cargo. Worse, its 8-speed automatic transmission operates roughly, making the car lurch and hesitate at low speeds, turning city driving into a frustrating experience. In addition, the typical VW electrical issues also appear. The infotainment screen freezes, and random warning lights turn on. The cheap interior materials that are prone to rattling also detract from the car's value. Number 3. 2025 Jeep Wagoneer. Another Jeep name, but this time in the premium segment, the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer. This vehicle was born to compete with luxury SUVs, fully loaded with technology and amenities. But with a score of just 22 out of 100, this car isn't worth its price. The first and most common issue is electrical faults. From inaccurate driver assist features to a constantly malfunctioning infotainment system, it's clear that cramming too much technology into an unstable platform has brought consequences. Not to mention, the new twin-turbo i6 engine replacing the old Hemi V8 has shown initial problems, with the check engine light frequently appearing, raising concerns about its durability. For a luxury car, this is unacceptable. Number 2. 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid. Standing at position number 2 is the 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid. This vehicle promises excellent fuel economy and versatility, but it fails completely on reliability, with a score of only 21 out of 100, earning the title of the least reliable hybrid SUV of the year. Users report rough transitions when the car switches between gas and electric power, creating an uncomfortable jerky feeling. More seriously, many have faced battery failures, a problem that would be extremely costly once the warranty runs out. Like its competitors on this list, the Escape is also plagued by electrical issues, a freezing screen, random warning lights, and even safety features like lane keeping assist working inconsistently. Compared to rivals like the Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V, the Escape Hybrid loses not only on reliability, but also on interior quality. Number 1. 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And now, for position number 1. The most unreliable SUV of 2025, with a record low score of just 12 out of 100. This title belongs to the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is an iconic nameplate, but it now brings the biggest disappointment. The plug-in hybrid 4xe system is the main cause of trouble, with owners constantly reporting charging faults, sudden warning lights, and powertrain failures, forcing them to take the car to the dealership multiple times with no permanent fix. Even the gas-only versions are not spared. Electrical glitches, random stalling, and sensor malfunctions are common complaints. The hesitant and rough shifting transmission is also a major drawback. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is advertised as refined and capable, but the reality shows a completely opposite picture. A car with a high price and a great reputation, but with the worst possible reliability. So, we have uncovered the truth behind the most unreliable SUVs of 2025. This list isn't to say that all of these cars are bad, but to remind you that advertising isn't everything. Before you spend a large sum of money on a new car, take the time to research it more deeply. Data from customer surveys and independent expert reviews like Consumer Reports are the most reliable guides. If this video has helped you avoid a costly mistake, don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. We will continue to bring you in-depth analysis and other helpful rankings to help you become a smarter car buyer. See you in the next video.